chia kasiya wa kanina sumlay kan pakatsu kasyang industry. Makan chuba kaduntika kadutsu mami ma kanu setilo. Saya matak tak kasi amintu Mrs. Johnson long kan angkop ni kasi upasa saya masa saya koi dudang saya maisa aspek of sitika kaduni atin koi kadula patu lai laman kumbiwa Lider ngai tensi, yang orang tua, yang boleh dalam ketika bukan terpekau, dia naksu, yang boleh pun si luar tiap kerohian, kum tampil luar, tak kesini kertek, kenincung saat wal atau selain ulah tu, kenuni roh long ini Cuba tokin kenikah siapa roh kita mitsu susah engkau. Dan saat kenuni hamna sifatna leroh hamna ini matu nak siapa siliawa kenal rendah. Kedua kenutu hamna sifatna leroh hamna in Pilado, Sakarilo. Those of you who need a little English, I did good translation. Yesterday we talked about the legacy of my mother and how she provided us with wisdom, persistence, and doing things correctly and right. I told a small story about our classroom in our home in Haka. It was a small room upstairs. It was dedicated as our classroom. And when I went up there, we were not allowed to call her mother. She was the teacher. And we had to address her as Mrs. Johnson. Through that, she taught us respect for elders, for teachers, and leaders. I mentioned that Mom and Dad were always very thin. And I noticed that all the missionaries in Burma were thin too. And as a youngster, I developed the opinion that maybe this was just the custom of missionaries. But many years